This Google spreadsheet contains fictitious employee profiles and whether they left or not. Our goal is to use this model to judge the possibility of employee turnover after training a model. There are 2 sheets for training and testing. Assuming we have already installed this plugin, when we want to use it, we go to Extensions, Simple ML for Sheets, Start. In the selection items on the right, we focus on the training and testing of the model, so select Advanced Tasks. First select Train a Model. Give this model a name, and decide which one is the label item, select Attrition field. Open source columns, we have so many fields to choose from. There are numeric types, category types and text types. We select some fields as the features for training and start to execute. After the completion, the model has been established. Then we use this model to make some predictions. The first is to make predictions on the existing training data. Pay attention to the last 2 columns with predicted results and confidence percentages. Of course, it is more important to make predictions on the test dataset. The prediction results are also seen in the 2 rightmost rows of the test sheet. Then evaluate this model. After completion, a new window will show the results of an evaluation of the current attrition train sheet. There are accuracy and confusion matrix AUC, etc. Then there are charts such as ROC precision recall. The orange line is for yes and the green line is for no. Then we can do the same evaluation for attrition test. Then we want to understand this model. The first is the summary. Quality of stochastic forecasting models. Dataset displays the feature fields we selected. Description of category and numeric fields. The importance of each field to the forecast. And draw various prediction graphics. The distribution and prediction of each characteristic variable. Then manage the model. Finally, output this model to Google Colab, and then let Colab executes the trained model.